Hello guys, welcome to your channel The Logical Indian. Today we're going to see how Redux works in Node.js. First of all, we're going to create a project, then we're going to install Redux. Once that is done, we will be creating a file in which we will write all the code. First of all, we'll import Redux, then we will be creating an object which will store the value of age. Then we will create a method having two inputs, the state and action. We will be performing some action based on the type of, for example, the type is add. We will be adding one to the age. The action type will be passed in the later part of the code. Similarly, we will make an action for subtract. At the end, we will return the modified state. Then we will create a store that will be like a link between events and listeners, and we will pass the reducer function we made into it. After that, we will subscribe to the store to listen for any events and log them out. Then we will dispatch events 3 add and 1 subtract. Let us run the program. You can see that there are 4 console logs even though we have only one in the code. That means that the listener ran each time we called the dispatch event, and the store took action according to the action type. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit the like button, and if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye, see you next time.